we hardly knew. We knew we had relatives. We had relatives in Belgium. We had relatives in Russia. My mother's oldest sister, they were in Romania, I think. And when the Germans began to invade, they were sent to, I guess where they sent a lot of Jews, which was Siberia. Or was it Kazakhstan? I don't know. I don't know where they went. This sister had two children, a daughter and a son. The son walked to Paris, either having become a doctor or to become a doctor, which he did in Paris, and was assigned to the Pyrenees as his district. And he serviced the Catalans who lived in that part of the mountains, the Pyrenees, for the most part. And he'd cross over into Spain and service the Catalans there. Then he was in the army as a doctor, I guess, when the war came. And then as they demobilized, he was saying how he was standing in a long line to surrender his papers and his title, whatever. And his name was Kiva Rabinowitz. And so he's just walking in the line, he's saying, oh my God, Germans. And of course, nobody really knew what the Germans were doing. They certainly kept the secrets well. He said, oh my God, what will they do to me with my name, Kiva Rabinowitz? So the guy in front of him was an Italian. So Kiva decided, So as he came up to announce his name, he gave it as Kiva Rabinovici. And they let him through, and he finished the war in the Pyrenees.